If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Jewelrywe pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by Jewelrywe. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Jewelrywe. Number 3. For more details about this great Jewelrywe pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Jewelrywe. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.